Making another batch of the Penn State dessert spoons, and I am going to put some 7mm holes down the center of all these walnut blanks. Soon to be 8 more dessert spoons. Now, I don't normally do this, but I've left all these blanks long. I didn't cut them to pre-size, but I'm going to put in the tubes first, and then I'll cut the excess off. Now I'm going to use my Starbond 5-minute epoxy to glue these tubes into these walnut blanks. Which side should be the fingers? This side, I think. Put the that side in. Oh, it didn't go all the way in. There we go. And that on the opposite side. Okay, these spoons are intended to unscrew so that you can take them out and wash these. But what happens is they get loose, and I think we've basically never unscrewed ours.
Yep.
So I'm going to go ahead and drop just a couple drops of super glue. I'm using some medium Starbond in there. And that should keep it waterproof and keep this from coming off. So there you go. And that. And now we have a matching, or at least in the same theme, walnut whisk and dessert spoon, walnut handles, Penn State dessert spoon, homemade whisk.